The critical raw material act, which is currently under development in the DG GROW and the European Commission, could be an important piece of legislation in Europe. It depends upon the details, but I think the main factors which are important for the competitiveness of the European industry in general, not just the mining industry, the questions concerning the energy availability, the energy prices, and that's crucial for the mining industry as well. But we know to reach the goals of Green Deal, we need a lot of more mining in Europe. I'm personally convinced that Europe is underexplored, overregulated. That's an important issue because I'm involved in European policy since 2 decades. And since 2 decades, we're discussing about more coherence on the European level. And that's now, in that situation where European industry and its competitiveness in the global context is endangered, is really important. We need to get more coherent on a European level. In detail, concerning the inclusion of the mining sector into the Industry Emission Directive. It's important to come up with new mining projects in Europe, that these new projects could come on the way. We need to come up with more mining projects in Europe, because we know that it's not sufficient to cover the demand with recycling products. A lot of materials which are for a long term binded in certain products. So to cover the demand, mining is important in Europe, and that's an important thing. So we need to influence and to change some European regulations which hamper mining in Europe, and that's the topic, the top topic in Europe. Energy prices, energy availability, and coherence on that European level.